híocht go na Drumshanbo. Tá sé do sréitse.
Big age range. It's very different between a 5-year-old and a 12-year-old.
Is bran rud le feiceáil na slúte agus an baile plóda le daoine. Is féidir le búla le daoine ar fud na tíre agus ar fud an domhain.
You go into the next tune and the place just erupts. It's unbelievable. That's what I live for that, you know. I live for energy.